Hello students, welcome to class. Today we're over on TikTok and we are putting comments in a live video with a bunch of crazy religious people. Let's go. This is a word of caution to you that religious people can never really be trusted because they believe in fairy tales, which makes them have the minds of children. They should never be in positions of power. They believe in all kinds of crazy things. They do not believe in science. They're not logical. Think about this. You are the religion you are simply because of where you were born on Earth. Vegans are kinder than God. Vegans protect animals. Dictating comments is often faster. All scientists agree that plants do not feel pain, period. You are uneducated and brainwashed by your religion, period. Did anyone ever watch Bill Nye the Science Guy?
Where did the poster went? Where he said Jesus was just a man or something?
Why does Christians worship a Palestinian man? What did
Absolute gibberish. Veganism is about ending the exploitation of animals, period.
Okay, that's what the definition of man is.
But can I go and forgive someone's sin though, as a man?
Veganism is about ending the commodification of animals.
Can you prove Jesus forgive anyone a sin?
All good men are striving to be vegan, to protect animals, and not to harm them, period.
Can you prove to me that Jesus have forgiven anyone a sin?
The Bible.
How would Jesus unalive an innocent lamb? If he was a good person, he would never do it, period.
One word in the whole thing. Tell me this is Jesus himself is writing. I will accept what you said.
You want me to point out what?
The Bible is just peer pressure from dead people. So is the Quran.
Thank you. What he have did, not what he have taught.
Brave men do not hurt animals, period. They protect them.
Check this out, smart man.
Check me out.
Is the Old Testament from God?
The Old and New Testament is both from the God, yes.
Okay. As a Christian, are you supposed to abide by the Old Testament or no? No. I have to ask you a question. One second. I'm gonna ask about both. 1 second. Hold on. Hold your horses.
Hey, Adam.
Hold your horses is a speciesist statement.
I'm gonna ask you a question regarding Old Testament and New Testament, and then once you answer
about New Testament, where are you going
He's
to
not. He doesn't have the.
Being vegan is a moral baseline for any sane person, period.
No, Yusuf, actually, you know what? Just for that, Yusuf, go ahead, speak, Harvey.
So you're done, Adam? Wait. You said...
Brave men protect children and animals by not eating them, period. Google vegan recipes instead.
No, at the beginning when you came up, you said...
Religion is dangerous, period. It causes people to lose brain cells.
Forgiven any sin.
Yes, and I said Bible. And
All religious people are brainwashed and unable to think for themselves.
you abide by the whole Bible, the whole 66 book.
The Bible is a fairy tale written by humans, period.
Yes, I have to go by the Old Testament as well.
Prophecy, at the Old
I'm not
Testament.
asking about the
Being vegan means committing to not use animals in any way.
All right?
Just when I yes or no. Yes or no.
All good men are either vegan or striving to be as vegan as possible. Fun fact, the earth is not flat, mermaids don't exist, and there was no Noah's Ark.
Do you have...
Thank you to all sane people here for considering veganism as a moral baseline. Before we go on, make sure you're subscribed and you've pressed the notification bell so you don't miss any videos going forward. And if you're vegan, don't forget to help teach vegan facts in the comment section. It is wrong to use animals in the same way as it is wrong to enslave humans. Period.
1 second.
Hey, Adam, let me ask you a question.
No. No one answer my...
Animals are not our slaves. Period.
In the Old Testament.
Do we gotta abide by the Old Testament?
Yeah.
Like, define abide like everything?
The Bible is full of evidence that God is evil and cruel.
Catholic, you better not open up your mouth since you don't have Bible with you, okay?
The Bible reminds us not to hurt anyone, period. If you believe in the Bible, comma, why aren't you vegan yet? If your religion is telling you to hurt animals or people, comma, it's time to change religions.
Wait, I'm not trying to
I
read it.
want everyone to hear it.
I'm not trying to read it to every single one of you.
Why?
Yeah, we want to hear it. I want to hear it.
This
I
is
wanna hear it.
absolute gibberish, not a single intellectual in the room. Why are there only men in this chat? Students, listen carefully. I encourage you to go into the sciences and study logic and reasoning and critical thinking skills so you don't end up like these people. Be vegan and go down in history as having made the right choice when everyone else around you was cruel.
Therefore, I cannot.
Okay, there's 3 Christians in here. Not even one of you guys have a Bible or second device to read your own Bible.
Who's 3 Christian? I only see me and Catholic. That's it.
And Oscar, the one on the top.
Bro, I have a Bible and I'm a Muslim. I just have a
Good
Bible.
for you, bro. I don't take my Bible wherever I go with me. Do I? If I go shopping, do I take my Bible with me?
But you're not shopping, son. Come on, bro. Come on.
Thank you to everyone who is protecting animals. Period.
That's your artwork, yeah.
Thanks to everyone for coming today. Thank you for helping me to defend animals, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. Coming up on screen are going to be a whole bunch of other videos. Click on them, be curious, and don't forget to subscribe. Press the notification bell on YouTube. Help us get the animals out of hell and away from religious fanatics. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save every chicken, pig, and cow. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's put our empathy into action. Miss KADIE will show us how. Subscribe.